qui rentre sur l'autoroute, tu sais.
All by myself, ain't nobody wanna help, I'ma have to do it all by myself. I don't really need a blog or a cosign, I'ma just put out all the tracks that I bleed through. Blood, sweat and tears, you couldn't grasp what I've been through. I'm setting on, reaching on my goals, now you see through. You say you got my interest at heart, it's so hard to believe. Now I'm back on the road, all for a show. I'm feeling like this year's going by. Now I'm down for the count, sick of this bullshit, I'm feeling like I'm moving but going nowhere. Shit denied by the blogs, but opinions don't matter. Labels say I got the talent, but today that ain't a factor. Come around now, yeah I know you changing with the weather. Hope this storm hit you hard, Thunder Curry with the dagger. I know I ain't shit up on the internet, but I know I ain't even close to working in full effect. Once I get the budget, I'ma run it like the president. All the fans you would've had, I think I'ma intersect. This a fuck you record and everybody know it. I know you wanna fuck with me, nobody wanna show it. Easy to hate, but not to be hated by. If we talking about the title of the best bitch on it. But nobody that I need, everybody I let in just deceiving me. No, I'ma succeed, you don't have to agree. I can tell all your intentions when you breathing me. So take all that fake shit and throw it out the window. You expected that, should've clicked off at the intro, fuck that. I got the city, you know I run that. My words killing careers, really no need to tuck that. Call me a backpack rabbit, see what I do. This track is just for you, you can handle me. Ask me if I give a fuck, I know it's getting hard to see me down from the bottom. Man, I can tell that you ain't shit. New verse, you ain't write that shit, but hype that shit. Your style, now you bite that shit. But you thinking you some highlight shit, it ain't yours, but it's
seen a lot of things, changing my perspective. I seen a lot of things I never expected. People drinking liquor, trying to fill their emptiness. Spending all their money on some people faking friendliness. Money isn't happiness with nobody to spend it with. And people acting real, but really they just gon' be blending in. I keep my circle small. I know who rockin' with me, cause some people say they got you, but they changing up too quickly. When they go down, they gone now. Don't pick you up when you fall now, but they hit you up when you on now. When they want it all, tryna ball out. I know how that shit go. Say to myself when I get it alone, keeping it real, and I know what's the deal with I was at home.
Yeah, people come, yeah, people go. I just sit back and collect gold. I'd rather do it all on my own. No one else can fill in my role. Time is moving, I cannot stay. Lost people with the smile on display. Fuck this window that I'm standing in. I'm doing more than all these mannequins.
you.